Welcome back to another video. Today we're replacing the tail lights on the Kia Carnival, or also known as the Sedona. Now just first up, a bit of a disclosure. This is how I go about doing these sort of things, and it's not to say that's how you should do it. I just like to share it for what works for me, and you do it at your own risk. These are the bulbs that I'm using and part number. Okay, let's move to the other side. I did do the first side. Microphone went flat. You can clearly see the top globe. Both filaments are out, so we replace that one. Let's get into it. You've got 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. You got to undo those. First, we'll turn off the lights. So there's 3 screws to be removed. 1, 2, and 3. Now that those 3 screws is removed, the light can come out. There's a clip in here, a little lug that goes that way in. So you got to pull it a little bit out and back. There we go. A little bit tricky. Got stuck here being dirty. There's that lug that goes in through the side. To make it easier, we can unclip the connector by pushing down on the tab there and sliding out. There we go. That was the top one. That's that one there, so we can access all our lights through here now. Unclip. Oh, look at that. Unscrew. Here's our new globe. Be sure not to touch the glass with your fingers, especially for your headlights. It shortens the lifespan on those globes so much more. If you have a look, you can see there's that little lug and one on the other side. They are offset to ensure the globe goes in one way only, because the olden days they weren't offset. You can put your globe in backwards, so when your parkers are on, your brake lights would be on. Let's put that in. That's in nice and firm, and now we can insert it back into the housing. There we go. Now to put the light back in, when you connect this back in, make sure you can hear the audible click to ensure that it won't come out. There we go. Hope you heard that on camera. And we can insert light housing back onto the car. That lug in, make sure that goes in. Then you can place this in its location. And it's in nice. It's all done. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button. And also you can check out my video replacing the headlight. And thanks for watching.